Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to learn one of the most important Excel functions used in business and data analysis, VLOOKUP function. So instead of learning theory, we are going to solve real business problem using VLOOKUP and using our real data sets. So by the end of this video, you understand how to use VLOOKUP to answer business problem. So we use it to retrieve information automatically from one table to another. So quickly, let's get started. So here is our data set. It consists of two sheets, the product lookup and the sale data. So quickly, the product lookup contains information such as the product ID, product name, category, the supplier, the cost price, selling price, the region default, and the launch year. So this acts as our lookup table. So now let's go to the second sheet, which is called the sale data. So the sale data contains information of our transaction, which are the order ID, the date, the product ID, the sale persons, the region, the units sold, the discount percent, and the customer type. But there is a problem, and the problem is that we only have product ID, but we do not have product name. We don't have product name in our data sets. We also don't have price. We also don't have selling price in our sale data transaction. So we want Excel to automatically retrieve this information from the product lookup. We want to retrieve this information from the product lookup table. So this is where lookup becomes very important and useful. So quickly, let's get started. So let's go to our sale data. Let's solve the first problem. So quickly, we'll write our product name in our sale data. So I'll create a column called product name. Boom. So this is a new column called product name. So we will then write our VLOOKUP formula. So press a tab. Boom. Now let me explain the formula. So we'll be using our product ID. So this is our first product ID, which is what? C2, which is what? Product ID 012. Then it acts as our what? As our lookup value. Then your comma. The next is our table array. So our table array will be the what? The product lookup table. So quickly go up. You select the O table. You hold your shift. You hold your control. Then your down button arrow. Boom. Now the thing is that it will select the function will select all the O value in our table, because we want to search, we want Excel to search audio table. So we are selecting audio table, then your comma. Now what are we searching for? We are searching for our product name from our what? From our product lookup table. So and our product name is on the what? Is on the column 2. Notice we have the product ID, which is the first column, product name, second column, category, third column. So our product name is what we are actually looking for, and it's on column what? Column 2. So put our 2, which is our what? Column, which is our column index. So put our 2. Then the 2 simply means we want Excel to return the value from our column name, which is 2, which is the what? Which is the product name. So quickly we put our comma, then we select our first. Simply means exact match. That means we want Excel to find exact match of our what? Of our product name. Then you tab, then you close your bracket, then you enter. Boom. Now we see Excel automatically return the product name. Now we notice that this is our product name, and it's been extracted from our what? From our product lookup table. So quickly, now I will just drag the formula down to apply it to the entire data set, Excel will now retrieve the product name for every transaction automatically. So just drag it down. Boom, it works. We notice that all our value here has been filled. So quickly, let's check and see. These are what? These are product ID, and these are what? These are product name. So let us just confirm and see if it works correctly. So let's copy our product ID. So let's go to our product lookup. So let's use our shortcut formula, Control F. So let's paste our formula there. Let's paste our product ID there, which is what? Product 012. So let's find all. So notice this is the product ID, and this is the what? This is the product name. You can see it worked correctly. So quickly, let's proceed. Let's solve another business problem. So suppose we want to know the selling price of each product in this sales table. So instead of typing it manually, we use VLOOKUP again. First, I'll create another column called selling price. So write our selling price and enter. So quickly write our formula again, VLOOKUP. So you press your tab. So we do the same thing. We pick our product ID, which is our C2. Boom. You can see the lookup value is what is the C2. Then our table range. We select the entire table. For this way, the VLOOKUP is search, Control Shift plus down button, then your comma. Now we are looking for our selling price, and if we can calculate it from the starting, we have the product ID, we have the product name, we have the category, we have the supplier, we have the cost price, and also have the selling price. So let's count. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So our selling price is on the what? It's on the 6th column. So quickly write our what? 6. Why? Because the selling price is located in the what? In the 6th column. So Excel will what? We look up this value. So then we write our what? Our first match. Then you press your tab. So you close your bracket. Then you enter. Boom. Now Excel return the selling price automatically. So quickly, let us do the same thing. Let's drag the value down. Boom, it works. So just like the way we did, Excel retrieve the selling price for all the rows from the starting to the end. So let us do another example. So let's also look up our launch here. Let's look up our launch here. So quickly, let's just copy our launch here name, then we'll paste. So quickly, we'll do the same thing using VLOOKUP formula. Press your tab. So we are using our product ID. Boom. Your comma. So quickly, our table array. You select the entire table. You hold your Shift, Control, and down button. Boom. Now we are selecting our launch here. So quickly, let's count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So our launch here is on the what? It's on the column 8. So quickly write your 8, then comma, then we pick our what? Our exact match. Then we'll close our bracket. Then you enter. Boom, it works. So quickly, for us to fill the remaining row, we just drag it down. Boom, it works. So we have be able to answer the problem of not having product name, selling price, and launch share in our what? In our sale data sheet. So quickly, the example, so there's a task for you. So the task you will solve is the what? Is the cost price. So this will be the task you will do for me. So now, this is why VLOOKUP is very important, because it's used in business and data analysis. So instead of us searching manually through 100 or 1000 of row, Excel can automatically retrieve information from one table to another. So this makes our work very faster and easier. So if you find this video useful, please like, comment, and subscribe my channel. So in the next video, we'll learn more on XLOOKUP, and we'll learn more on XLOOKUP, which is the modern replacement of VLOOKUP and even more powerful. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for the next video. So this is your assignment for you to answer the cost price. So you have to look up the cost price from our what? From our products table. Thank you for watching.